Have you ever wondered what it would be like if your business could operate globally with the same ease as it does locally? Imagine seamless international payments, effortless currency exchange, and unified financial management, all from a single platform. For too long, global business has been synonymous with complexity, hidden fees, and frustrating delays. But what if there was a solution that not only simplified cross-border operations but actively empowered businesses to thrive internationally? That's the question at the heart of what makes Airwallex special. They're not just another payment provider, they're building a new financial infrastructure for the global economy. To truly understand their unique value proposition, let's break down the core elements that set them apart. Firstly, Airwallex offers a truly global account. This isn't just about sending money to different countries, it's about giving businesses local bank details and multiple major currencies, including USD, GBP, Euro, AUD, and more. This means you can receive payments from customers worldwide as if you had a local presence in their region, significantly reducing fees and speeding up settlement times. Think about it. A customer in the US pays into your US dollar account, and the funds are accessible to you quickly, without multiple conversions or intermediary bank charges. This isn't just convenient, it's a game changer for cash flow and international expansion. Secondly, their approach to foreign exchange is revolutionary. Unlike traditional banks that often bury their margins in opaque exchange rates, Airwallex provides interbank rates or very close to them, with transparent, low fees. This means businesses save significant amounts on currency conversions, which can add up to substantial savings, especially for companies dealing with high volumes of international transactions. They're built on the principle of fairness and efficiency, directly challenging the often exploitative practices of legacy financial institutions. Thirdly, Airwallex offers a powerful suite of financial tools beyond just payments. We're talking about integrated expense cards, mass payouts, and even an API that allows businesses to embed Airwallex's capabilities directly into their own platforms. This level of integration and flexibility is crucial for modern businesses that demand agile and scalable financial solutions. Imagine automating payroll for your global workforce or issuing virtual cards for international team expenses, all managed centrally. This isn't just about transactions, it's about comprehensive financial control. What truly unifies these features and elevates Airwallex is their underlying technology and relentless focus on the customer experience. They've built their platform from the ground up, avoiding the limitations of outdated banking systems. This allows for faster innovation, greater security, and a more intuitive user interface. They understand that businesses need speed, transparency, and reliability, and they've engineered their entire ecosystem to deliver precisely that. In essence, Airwallex isn't just solving a problem, they're building a future where financial borders are irrelevant. They're empowering businesses, from startups to enterprises, to truly operate globally without the traditional headaches and costs. Their commitment to transparency, competitive rates, and a comprehensive suite of financial tools makes them an indispensable partner for anyone looking to scale their operations internationally. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.